All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the folks over at Tudia sent me over their case lineup for the OnePlus10T. Now, obviously, their new grip series is very nice. I think this is going to be their top seller. The Merge was their top seller for quite some time, and I think this is really going to take the place of that. So I got my OnePlus10T over here, and we're going to go ahead and try on these colors here just to show you what it's going to look like. In the end, I think you'll be able to pick the one you want. But before we do so, let's look around the case here. You can see it comes in a nice pattern here with this new style that they brought out. Let's just face it, folks, it's the best one. So they needed some kind of change, and it's good. So you got grip all on the edges here. You can see that those little ridges there, they're actually really good grip. The back is completely textured and it is full of grip. You've got a little bit of Tudia branding down there on the bottom, very clear and close there for you. Power button, volume rocker, camera cutout, mic and port on top up there. Make sure these are cut out here. These IR blasters or whatever that sensor is right there, and make sure everything's cut out on cases when you're buying them. And then the ports on the bottom there are completely open. You can see some little interior design here. You can see the little corners for the drop protection and cushion there. So we're gonna go ahead and try on each color. Now, I don't have a screen protector on here yet, but you can see here lots of lip around the edges here. This phone comes with a screen protector on it, but if you're facing it down like this, you are good to go. It's not gonna have any problems with it. This black is really sleek because my phone is black. I think this black is really sleek right here. You can see how it treats the camera cutout on the back here. You can see, let me tilt so you can actually see this. You can see how it slopes off for the camera right there. Really sleek and a nice design here. So let's go ahead and try on the other colors just to give you some sense of what it's gonna look like. Real brief here. That blue is beautiful, I gotta admit. It is very beautiful. You can see how it looks with the two-tone design now. The black is black, but the two-tone is on the rest of these cases here. So you can see the blue, how the black is highlighted there. Really makes the blue pop out, and my camera's really picking it up well for you. It's very nice. Now the next two colors are not feminine, but I think this one right here looks good with this color for the black camera module. I think ladies, this magenta with like the pink and then like the deep burgundy looking color there. This is gonna be sleek with the ladies or a fella out there who likes these colors. Now I do like these colors and I would wear this. I don't have a problem with it. But it wouldn't be my first choice for a color. I wouldn't go out and say, oh, I'm buying this magenta. No, it's not gonna happen. So this is very sleek, and with the black camera module, it looks really good. So let's try the last one on here, and then I will let you get on your way. This gray is just, this is one of my favorites. I'm wearing this one right now on my Pixel 6a. It is just so beautiful. Again, that Tudia branding down there. The two-tone look is just super nice on here, and I think it's very clean and sleek. So here they are, man. This is the lineup right here, man. This is really, really nice. I don't know what to tell you. If you don't like this new lineup from them, I think you're gonna have to go back to the Merge. Either way, I like them all, and I think the way these feel in hand, it feels great, and I think you'll really like how these feel on your phone, including the drop protection that you'll get. It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.